কম্পিউটারতে আমি ছাড়িছে আছে it is here okay he will search it became a prank for him this is so dark na I could not see
Very brief, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item 20.
Item
20, Lordship.
20
Lordship.
is a hearing.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Lordship, here my senior counsel, who is the arguing counsel here, is currently out of station.
When
So
20
I
and
pray Your
21?
Lordship. 20 and 21 also. Lordship.
21 also.
Lordship. I pray Your Lordship may list this matter after 2 weeks. Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Lordship. If Your Lordship is.
See, I thought this will be taken up. Your name is also there? No.
No, Lordship. For item 21, this is an amicus curiae, Lordship.
20 and 21.
Lordship, I am appearing in 21. I am the amicus curiae for respondent number 2, the informer.
Okay.
Lordship, I'm only in 20 Lord
1 and 20. Okay. Mr.
V Goza, Lordship.
Roger. Direct Counsel. Made a mention on and submitted. Made a mention and submitted. The conducting counsel, Mr. Age, is out of station. And pray for this matter after 2 weeks. The prayer not objected. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay, then this also, so and so. Some states the conducting counsel, Mr. Ajo, is out of the station, therefore pray for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks. To which Mr. Nmojoy, land amicus curiae, and okay, there's no objection, prayer allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged, Lord. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, Lordship.
22 also.
On behalf of Mr. M.T. Longcham for counsel for the petition, Lordship.
Okay. Appellant.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, who is for the other side? Have informed.
Yes, Lordship. Consent has already been obtained, Lordship. Yes, some difficulties if this matter may be listed after 3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Moazame, Direct Counsel, submitted. The conducting counsel, Mr. Inti Longjan, has some personal difficulties today, and personal difficulties. Therefore, pray for adjournment of the matter for 3 weeks. He has also obtained consent from the other side, land counsel for the other side. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
His Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship. Lordship, if this matter can come up on 9th of February, Lordship. to enable us to file our additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
When do you want, you said?
On 9th of February.
On 9th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No objection. Mr. Medavero, Land Council for the petitioner. Seek adjournment and praise for listing this matter on 9th, to which the Land PP, Mr. Zimomi, has no objection. Prayer allowed. List this matter accordingly on 9th of February. Okay.
Obliged, Lord. Lordship, I can make mention item number 1, Your Lordship. Item number 1. Lordship,
One.
Yes, Lordship. Here, both the councils are not prepared today. Leading councils, both the leading councils. So if this matter after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. Probably here, the present status of the trial court record may also be required. Anyway, you are for the petitioner
Petitioner, Lordship. Yes.
and for the respondent. No objection. No objection. Okay, Mr. Medavero, Land Council for the petitioner. When do you want, you said?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Prayers for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks, to which the Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent has no objection. Prayer allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
The interim may continue, Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg the mention item 3.
Item 3.
Let the matter be fixed on 3rd February.
Third February.
Yes.
Why 3rd?
I have no objection, Lordship.
Lordship, in fact, for the state, I'm looking for a state respondent on behalf of my colleague.
Okay,
Lordship, I've been instructed that she's need to receive instruction.
not yet. Received. Okay. Miss?
3rd February.
Hmm?
3rd February, let the matter be fixed.
Lordship, since the state respondent is here to file.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Zimomi, Land Council, Land PP, appearing on behalf of Ms. Libika. Land Council for, Libika is government advocate. Criminal revision. Libika is also PP? Huh?
No.
Item 3.
Item 3.
I think no objection. Since this is to do with review.
Okay, Miss Sansa. Land Council for the petitioner.
No, Lordship, since this is a Indian Lordship, I have no objection that it's
You are for the respondent or petitioner?
Respondent.
Respondent number?
2.
2.
I'm for the state.
You are mentioning on behalf of?
Santiago.
May I please, my lord?
Santiago.
Who is this? Okay. Santiago is out of session. Where?
He has matter on court number 1.
Okay. May appearing on behalf of Mr. Santiago, Land Council for the respondent number 2, praise for listing this matter after 2 weeks, to which Mr. Medavero, Land Council for the revision petitioner has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Mr. Jimomi, Land PP for the state of Nagaland is also present. Okay.
Lordship, this matter can come up on a fixed date, Your Lordship, February 3. Since the leading council for the petitioner is out of is in session.
Okay.
Yes.
Then say Mr. Medavero, Land Council for the revision petitioner. Sorry. Mr. Medavero, Land Council for the petitioner also submits has no objection to the adjournment of the matter. However, he prays for listing this matter on
3rd of February month.
3rd February, to which the Land Council for the respondent has no objection. Prayer allowed. List this matter on 3rd February. Okay.
Obliged, Lord.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I'd like to mention item number 15. And for the respondent number 2, we will be filing our Wakalatnama today, Lordship. So kindly grant us 3 weeks time to file our counter.
Okay. Yeah.
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
Tuekrulu.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Line counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Tuekrulu, is present. Mr.
Jamir.
Izamir, line counsel. It appear on behalf of respondent number 2 and praise for. How much time you said?
2 weeks time.
3 weeks time. Have you filed Wakalatnama?
We were filing the course.
Okay, praise for 3 weeks to file Wakalatnama and the affidavit if necessary. Okay, the prayer is
Lordship,
allowed.
item number 15 and 16 are analogous. 14 and 15, yes.
Okay. 14 and 15. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
Mr. Jimo Milana, PP for the PP is also present. Okay.
Obliged.
Lordship, there's interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Obliged.
May it please Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship.
8.
8, yes, Your Lordship. In this, we have taken dusty service of newly implemented respondent number 4. We are here to file our affidavit, Your Lordship. So if time may be given so that we can file our affidavit regarding
You are yet to file?
affidavit. We have already compliance with the order of the court to take dusty service, Your Lordship. But we have not filed our affidavit.
Okay. Miss
Kim Piana.
Land Counsel for the petitioner. Somebody says, although she is taking steps upon the respondent by way of dusty service, however, she is yet to file compliance affidavit and prays for how much time?
2 weeks, Your
2
Lordship.
weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Your Lordship, I would like to also mention item number 17, Your Lordship. This matter, we are also yet to file our affidavit regarding publication of newspaper in both Nagaland and in Assam, Delhi, Your Lordship. Whereas in Assam, we have
Okay,
not...
wait for some time. This is in order. Let us see the record. Okay, and pass necessary order. Okay.
Bless you, Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. I'm appearing on behalf of the sole respondent, and I have instruction from the leading
Item?
5. Item number 5.
What do you want?
I have instruction from the leading counsel that his name, Tapan Ranjan Turi, be reflected in the course list. And
Whose name?
Tapan Ranjan Turi.
Is it counsel for?
Leading counsel.
For the respondent?
Sole respondent, yes.
There are 3 names as a counsel for the respondent.
Yes, and they are going to withdraw their name.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I'll be filing my Wakalatnama in the course of the day.
Wait for some time then. Okay. We'll pass order. Grant your prayer. Wait for some time. Okay.
Much
My lord, I beg to mention item number 6.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner expired on 12th of this month. So I'm yet to get the death certificate of the petitioner so that I can file it before this honorable court. He unfortunately had a cardiac arrest and he expired on 12th of January.
Who expired?
The petitioner, my lord.
Okay.
This was an application for quashing of the entire proceedings that was drawn out of Kohima North Police Station 51.
Okay, the petitioner is no more.
No more, my lord.
Then what survive? It's a criminal petition only?
Nothing else.
Then?
Yes, only a criminal petition. There are 2 other writ applications. I'll just file the death certificate of the petitioner.
There are 2 other applicants.
There are no applicants in this case. There is only one applicant in this case.
Then what survives?
Nothing else, my lord.
Okay, then you want to withdraw?
My lord, can allow me to withdraw it.
Okay. Mr.
My lord, Mohammed Shamimuddin.
Mohammed Samimuddin, the counsel for the petitioner, Sami State. The during the pendency of this criminal petition, the petitioner passed away on when you said
On 12th of January, my lord.
on 12/1/2026. And therefore, thanks for allowing him to withdraw this criminal petition. The prayer is allowed. The criminal petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Okay.
Much obliged.
For motion from the supplementary report, item number 23.
May it please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this is a bail petition filed before this honorable court. In connection to the petition, this honorable court had passed an order dated 12/12/2025, annexure F. Oh, no. Annexure F.
Annexure F?
Yeah, is the order passed by this honorable court to amend
Okay.
the complainant as a party.
Okay. Have you amended?
Yes. I have
You made the complainant also party?
Yes. my lord.
This is amended? Okay, this is amended one. Okay. Yes.
So, Lordship, the complaint we have amended in our petition, and then time can be given to serve the copy to the complainant.
This is bail application.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, he was arrested in connection with?
Connection to
What is the offense? What is the offense? Please against the accused?
allegation is a molestation and sexual assault. Lordship, it's a POCSO case.
Also case?
Yes.
Okay.
So, here, my lord, my ground of praying releasing the accused is that the accused was not informed the ground of his arrest.
Okay, have you made a bail application before the trial court?
I made two application before the trial court, but it was rejected both.
Okay, have you taken this ground?
Yes, I'm taking this ground also.
Ground also?
Yeah.
What ground we have taken there?
The first petition, it was a medical ground. Medical ground.
Okay, that was rejected.
That was rejected.
And then?
And thereafter, I filed on the ground of the that the accused was not informed the ground of arrest.
That was also rejected.
That was rejected.
Where is that?
Next year. Page 13, Your Honor. This is
1-3?
yes, Lordship. Page 13 and page 16. These are the two orders passed by the lower court.
No, this page 13 is on health ground.
Yes, that is medical ground, Lordship.
Where is the other one?
The other order is in page 16.
The order says that ground was informed to the accused, whereas intimation was also given to his in-law. You were arrested after explaining the grounds of your arrest only. Yes, only the signature was not obtained.
Lordship, signature was also not obtained and I was also not informed. It has to be informed in written as per provisions of law.
So trial of the case commenced already.
Yet to be, Lordship.
Charge already framed.
Charge framed, trial of evidence is yet to be begun.
Okay. So we'll call for the record then. Scan copy.
Lordship.
Okay. Hard, Mr.
Riley.
We'll check whether the ground was informed. Although it says, but since he is claiming, and an order also says that his signature was not obtained. Only the signature was not obtained, although he was informed, written also, but then signature was not obtained. Let us see. Hard, Mr.
Riley, Lordship.
Line counsel for the petitioner. I have also had Mr. Zimomi, line PP for the state of Nagaland staff. Para. This is an application filed under section 483 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, praying for grant of bail to the accused. What is the name of the accused? Rongpang Kangjuk, who has been arrested in connection with. Where have you mentioned the name of the case number?
Case
in connection
number,
with what police station case? Where have you mentioned?
Page 9.
Mokokchung women
Yes.
PS case.
Special
It
case
should be
1.
mentioned in the very beginning, in a course title. How do we find in the body of the application? Mokokchung women PS case number 04.
It's there in the synopsis.
2025 under section 4/8 of POCSO Act. BNS also is there. Where have you written the name? Where is FIR? Okay. Case were charge sheeted under section 10 of Boxer Act, section 74 of BNS. Section 65(2)/74 BNS is also there.
Yes, Lordship. Charge has been framed.
Charge sheeted under. Okay, register under so charge sheeted under section 4(8) of Boxer Act and 10 of Boxer Act. And section 65(2)/74 BNS. On the ground that the ground for his arrest was not communicated. And the ground for arrest was not communicated to the accused person at the time of his arrest. Okay. Call for the Land Council for the submitted. Land Council for the petition submitted. The case has already been charge sheeted, and it is pending before the special court. Which court? Mokokchung.
Mokokchung, special.
For trial. Starker. Call for the scanned copy of the in view of the above. Call for the scanned copy of the trial court record. Issue notice. Since Mr. Zimomi and a PP is present on behalf of the state, no formal notice need be issued to the state. However, the petitioner shall take steps upon take steps for notice upon the respondent number 2 by a speed post with AD as well as by usual process within 3 days from today. Okay, 3 days. You take steps within 3 days.
3
upon the private respondent. How many days you require?
1 week.
Okay, within 1 week from today. Start. This test matter on when? After 3 weeks? Okay, after 3 weeks.
Okay.
For admission, item number 2.
This is a matter where I have invoked the inherent powers of the court for quashing of the entire proceedings. On the
227?
Yeah, 5:28 minutes. BNSS or 482 CRPC. Minute. It's a writ petition also minutes. So we have invoked 226 also of the.
Where 226?
Yeah, minutes. It is not 226, I'm sorry, it's 227.
How 227 lies?
227 lies because ultimately, minutes, all investigation is done by the trial court. Jurisdiction in the CRPC or BNSS is of the trial court. Police exercises that jurisdiction under the supervision of the learned magistrate. So, minute 227 will be there because this court is superintendence, having this power of superintendence.
No, now you are praying for setting aside and quashing.
Quashing of the entire
How under
proceeding.
227 will set aside and quash?
Minutes from the very beginning, entire proceedings is ex facie legal without there being an FIR registered. First, police conducted the proceedings, then Lokayukt took over. Now, Lokayukt is subordinate to the or superintendence of this honorable court, so 227 will lie.
But there is also prayer for setting aside and quashing.
Yes, minutes. I'm sorry.
There is a prayer for setting aside and quashing of the
Quashing of the entire proceedings starting from
then how 227 lies?
Millet, because Lokayukt now.
Under 227, how do we do?
Millet's Lokayukt has taken over by virtue of enabling provisions of the Lokayukt.
No, in any case, but you are praying, your prayer is, what is your prayer? Let us see.
Yes, Millets. Lords, my prayer is on page 3 of my petition, the para 2. In the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, of the petitioner, this honorable court, my lord, the petitioner is praying herein inter alia for following relief: to set aside and quash the entire investigation and petitioner, qua the petitioner, in the matter of Vigilance Police Station so and so, which was originally registered in the Vigilance Police Station Kohima with effect from so and so, stood transferred to the file of the learned Lokayukt Nagaland by virtue of authority of section so and so of the Lokayukt Act. My lord, if my lord permit, I can just explain the background. In 2015, Lokayukt police starts an investigation without there being any FIR. Then in 2000,
based on what? Based on
a tentative report of the CAG, Controller and Auditor General of India. Controller and Auditor General of India submitted a report to the government of Nagaland that there appears to be a case of misappropriation of government funds. Now that matter is taken up, the state government took up, started investigating. Subsequently, the state government reported back to the CAG that no such misappropriation has taken place. Of course, there was something, amiss in the record keeping, because of which it could not be related in the beginning. So that matter has also become final, that no misappropriation has taken place at all. That is the stand of the state government. The same state millets, acting through another affiliate, that is the Vigilance Police Station, based on that newspaper report or something, they started an investigation without there being any FIR. My lord, in the meantime...
Who started investigation?
Vigilance Police Station millets.
Vigilance
Police Station.
Based on government report?
No, CAG report.
Sorry, CAG report.
CAG. That's why I'm saying, my lord, kindly give me 1 minute. My lord, what is happening is, CAG does the mandatory audit of the all government departments. CAG takes up the mandatory audit of a particular department where I am working. I was the director, that is the head of that department. So central government has started a scheme that entire land revenue record should be digitalized. For that, central government was sending funds. That fund was coming to the state government. The state government in turn was transferring to the concerned departments. The director of the department, who is head of department, then he is distributing funds to the districts in Nagaland. The district officers are doing the actual work.
Director is the petitioner.
Yes, petitioner is the director minutes. He is head of the department. He's reporting to the secretary of the department, but he is the director of land reforms, and he is the head of the department for all department in the Nagaland. And he is the point where money is distributed, received from the central government through a state government. Money is to be distributed among the various district offices in the Nagaland who are doing the actual digitalization work of the land records. Now CAG steps in for the statutory mandatory audit. CAG says that some money has gone missing. That means money has come to the director, but from director it has not reached the district officers who are doing actual work. So on that millets, two things happens. One is the secretary of the department, he starts his own inquiry, which is the administrative inquiry within the administration. And second is the Vigilance Police Station headed by the IG Vigilance. They also starts a criminal investigation in 2015. In the meantime, 2017 Lokayukt Act is passed. So with effect from 2018, all pending investigations on the file of Vigilance Police Station are taken over by the Lokayukt. And now, from 2018 onwards, it is the Lokayukt who is conducting the investigation. So, millets, here the Lokayukt is subordinate to the superintendence of this Honorable Court under Article 227. Now, millets, since matter is on the file of Lokayukt, even if I get the matter quashed up on the file of Vigilance, this proceeding is surviving. That's why I'm asking complete quashing. That's why I'm invoking Article 227 of jurisdiction of this Honorable Court.
Oh, why not 226?
226 millets will not lie because I can't ask a state to act against the state. 226 is millets where some writ is being sought. I'm saying that superintendents, this court has power of superintendents over Lokayukt.
So ultimately, your prayer is to set aside and quash the proceedings.
Yes, millets, under Article 227.
There is no prayer for such direction.
Yes, my lord, it is there to, prayer 1 minutes is very clear. In the peculiar facts and, my lords, can may kindly see.
No, the prayer is only for, yes.
To set aside and quash the entire
Yes,
investigation.
set aside and quash only. This is the prayer,
Yes, my lords. Entire investigation.
not for superintending.
My lords, under Article 227 minutes. I have to show to the court that there is jurisdiction, my lords, with due respect. I can't ask something from my lords unless I show that my lords can give it to me. So I have to show that, my lords, what I'm asking, if my lords is convinced that I have a bona fide case, my lords have jurisdiction to grant it.
Okay, we'll keep it open then, 227.
All right, my lords. So now moving further, my lords. So the first thing, my lords, when a criminal investigation can be taken up by the police, it can be taken up only under the CRPC, nowhere else. Police is defined, my lord, under the Police Act of 1861. So, my lord, police station is also defined under CRPC. The officer in charge of a police station is also defined under CRPC. They are statutory functionaries. So, my lords, criminal investigation starts from section 154 of the CRPC. In one instance, it starts, there are other provisions also. So, under section 154, subsection 1, my lords, the officer in charge of a police station must receive an information, which must record in the register of the police station. And thereafter, under subsection 1 of section 156, the police officer in charge, or anybody working under him can take up investigation minutes. So, minutes, criminal investigation will not be triggered unless there is an information given to the officer in charge of a police station, and that gets recorded in the register of the police station. This is mandatory requirement, minutes, and this is popularly called FIR. There is no FIR in CRPC minutes. It is only the information given to the officer in charge of police station recorded. Once it is recorded, it becomes what we call FIR minutes. My case is that no such information was given by anybody to the officer in charge of a police station. Number one. Number two, minutes, with due respect, no such information was ever recorded in the register of a police station. Meaning thereby, minutes, the mandatory requisite conditions, preconditions rather, to trigger or to enable the police officer to take up criminal investigation under CRPC was never complied with. Investigation was taken in the nature of some sort of inquiry, preliminary inquiry or some verification or something. The learned Lokayukt has treated it as if there is an FIR, and then they are conducting all investigation under CRPC. That's why, millets, when we objected and learned Lokayuk did not entertain us, that's why we came before this honorable court, and this honorable court heard me. I argued the first, this thing, millets, the order of millets, 24th February 2025 may kindly be seen. 25th February minutes, 24th, sorry. 24 to 2024 minutes. Minutes of God. Yeah. Millet second para. It is the case of the petitioner that he was directed land records and survey government of Nagaland from so and so. The erstwhile Vigilance Commission in the year 2015, vide an office note dated so and so, had initiated a criminal proceeding against the petitioner without registration of any FIR as laid down under section so and so. So both 154 and 157. This is the first ground which I am setting up for my Lord's consideration. And then there are other grounds which I will come later.
Lordship, here I have already taken steps upon the newly
Report
implemented-
says you have not taken steps.
My lord,
15 January, no
Yes.
steps taken.
I have, my lord.
You have taken when?
Yes, my
After
lord.
that?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Now, my lord, I may also be permitted to take additional steps through dusty service, my lord, because usual course it takes
Okay.
time.
Okay.
In order to,
Mr.
yes, here is a peculiar case, my lord, where the parent department, they are also willing to comply with this honorable court's order, but it is the newly implemented respondent number 4, that is the PNR department, that is creating hurdles for implementation of the court's order.
Okay. Mr. Santianger, Land Council for the petitioner, some is that he has taken steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4. On when did he take? Because the report is on, the office note is on 15/1. When did he take steps? Do we have?
My lord, I have, in my chamber, I have the postal receipts, my lord. I did not bring it to them, my lord.
Okay, taken out. By way of, you have taken steps by way of register post?
Yes, my lord. Speed post, my lord.
Speed post, by way of speed post. However, he prays that he may also be allowed to take steps upon the respondent by way of dusty service.
My lord.
Okay, the prayer is allowed. Steps upon, allowed the additional steps by
Lord.
way of dusty service. The prayer is allowed.
If the
Step
matter
by way of dusty service within
1 week, my lord.
within 1 week from today, and file affidavit to that effect.
My lord.
Okay.
My
Okay.
lord.
Is
If the
this
matter
matter
can,
after
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks? Okay.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
For others, item number 7.
Upon respondent 5. Lordship, steps upon respondent number 5 is awaited. So if the matter may come after 2 weeks.
Respondent number,
Notice upon respondent number 5 is still awaited.
awaited. Respondent number 4 has also not yet filed.
Lordship, yes, respondent number 4. I may pray for respondent number 4, my lord.
Okay, you are praying for some more time?
Yes,
Have you
my
filed? Okay. Mr. Supongwati Waling, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Start. Mr. Nangami, Land Council, appearing on behalf of the respondent number 4, prays for further 3 weeks' time to file
Lordship, yes.
affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 4. So the office now dated 16/1/2025, 16/1/25, reflect that the notice upon the respondent number 5 is also still awaited. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. Okay? Obliged,
For
Mr.
others, item number 11.
Lordship, here I am made to take steps upon respondent 9 to 12.
You have not yet taken steps?
Lordship, so I pray that a week may be granted.
1 week.
1 week, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. Supongwati Mali, Land Council for the petitioner, prays for further 1 week time to take steps upon the step for service of notice upon the respondent number 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Lordship.
The prayer is allowed. Steps within a week from today by way of speed post as well as by usual process.
Lordship.
Okay, list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
For others, item number
Here in item 11 also, are you appearing, Mr. Angami?
Yes, yes.
For respondent number?
1, my lord.
Mr. Angami, Land Council, for appearing for the respondent number 1, also pray for some time to file affidavit.
Lordship,
Okay.
Lordship.
Have you filed affidavit?
No, your lordship. In fact, lordship, respondent number 1 has a limited role to play in this matter.
Okay, then he is also present. huh?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. This is item 11 done. Okay. Then, next.
Item number 12 for order.
12 also, await service report.
Lordship.
Not yet filed wakalatnama by the respondent.
Lordship, I am for respondent number 1 only in this matter.
1. Have you filed wakalatnama?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, you pray for some time.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Supongwati Waling, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Staff, Mr. Angami, Land Council, appear on behalf of the respondent number 1 and prays for some time to file wakalatnama and to file affidavit if necessary. Staff, where is the notice upon the other respondent is still awaited. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
For order. Item number 13.
Lordship.
Affidavit not yet filed.
I have filed the affidavit also with regard to service of notice upon the respondents 1, 2, and 3, my lord. The affidavit has been filed on 18th of November 2025. I have taken steps upon all the respondents on 24 October 2025 through inland speed post, my lord.
You are for the petitioner?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
None appear on behalf of the respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Ms. Livika, she is appearing for the respondent, Lordship. However, she is yet to receive instruction, Lordship. So if Lordship may please release the matter after 3 weeks.
This is with regard to non-payment of salary for 2 years, my lord.
Oh, I think then in that case,
Lordship, she has interim appearance, and however, she is yet to receive instruction.
respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Lordship. So if Lordship may please release the matter after 3 weeks, Lordship.
After 3 weeks.
Lordship. So that she will get a necessary instruction and file
Mr. Santianger, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Staff, Mr. Jimomi, Land Council appearing on behalf of Ms. Livika, Land Council for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Pray for further
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to obtain necessary instruction and to file affidavit if necessary. Stop, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Okay.
For orders. Item number 16.
Service report still awaited.
Lordship.
May it please the court. Lordship, I have instruction to appear for the respondent on behalf of my senior, Yamarawati, learned CGC.
Respondent number?
1 to 4.
1 to 4. You are appearing?
On behalf of my senior.
Okay.
Learned CGC.
Appearing for the first time, it appears?
Your Lordship.
Okay. You are Miss?
Vikono Kiso, counsel for the petitioner.
Miss?
Vikono Kiso.
Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr.?
Masilezo. Masilezo.
Give your name. Would appear on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 4 and prays for some time to file wakalatnama and to obtain necessary instruction to file affidavit in opposition if necessary.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we are going to file an appeal.
He also submits that the state has filed appeal against impugn judgment and order.
Lordship, they are yet to file, so
We're yet to
shortly-
Not yet filed?
No,
Okay,
Lordship, we'll be filing
leave
this
that
week.
then, leave that, okay. Pray for some time, huh? Please pray for Kama. This matter after 3 weeks, okay?
No, Lordship, it may be short date because there's no stay order against the judgment.
Okay, okay.
So,
But they are appearing.
yes.
You file wakalatnama, okay, within a week?
Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship.
And we are listing it after 2 weeks, okay?
Your Lordship.
List this matter after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship.
Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
For orders. Item number 17.
Your Lordship. We are
Compliance affidavit not yet filed.
No, Your Lordship, in the previous order, we were asked to published in 2 newspapers.
The newspaper.
Yeah, so
Have you
we have
published?
already published in Nagaland, but we are yet to file in Assam.
Assam also.
Due to
It
some
was direct. There was a
communication.
direction.
Yes, we have
Okay.
asked the company
Miss-
to publish it in Assam.
Miss,
Kim Piana.
Land Council for the petitioner submits that although they have published a notice through paper publication in the state of Nagaland, however, the petitioner is yet to publish the notice in the
Assam.
in the newspaper in Assam, in the state of Assam. Therefore, pray for how much time?
3 weeks time, Your Lordship.
2,
3 weeks.
3
because,
weeks time
Yes.
to do for paper publication, as directed. Prayer allowed.
Here, please, Your Lordship.
Not,
I'm appearing for
notice,
respondent.
notice upon the respondent by paper publication in the state of Assam within 3 weeks, and thereafter file. There file affidavit, and thereafter file compliance affidavit. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks.
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 3 weeks.
After 4 weeks, yes. Your
After 4
Lordship,
weeks.
yes.
Okay.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 to 5.
Ms. Tuekru, Land Council appear on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 5. This is the paper publication is with regards or
For respondent number 6 and 7, Your Lordship.
6 and 7, huh? Respondent number 6 and 7. Ms. Tuekru, have you filed affidavit?
No, Your Lordship.
Are you filing affidavit?
No, Lordship, we are for the claimant. Respondent number 1
this
to
is
5.
make appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Appear Tuekru, Land Council for the respondent number 1 to 5 claimant is present. Okay.
Lordship.
For orders, item number 18.
Service report still await.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Miss
Kim Piana.
Kim Piano, Land Council for the petitioner is present. The applicant is present. Office note dated 24/11. So this is 24/11. Probably you may have to take fresh steps, it appears. It was, notice was taken long back, not yet returned. You take fresh steps.
Your Lordship, the notice is awaited for respondent number 2 and 3, Your Lordship. So if we can kindly wait for some time and then allow me to take fresh step after that, Your Lordship.
Okay. The office note reflect that the notice upon the respondent number 2 and 3 is still awaited. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 19. Yes.
May I please the Lordship? Lordship, it is come for the first time. Lordship, your Lordship may peruse the delay petition first. I have explained it at paragraph number 6 of my application, Lordship.
Who will issue notice?
Lordship.
This is, okay. This is delay condemnation application?
Lordship.
Delay condemnation application?
Lordship. It is, Lordship, 245. Lordship, it is 382 days, Lordship. 382, Lordship.
What 382? What 382?
Lordship, the days of delay, Lordship.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
Vikramjit Devnath, Lordship.
Vikramjit Devnath, Land Counsel for the petition. Applicant, stop. Para, this is an application filed under Section 5 of the Indian Limitation Act 1963, praying for condonation of delay of 379 days in filing the connected, in preferring the connected MSC application. Stop. Returnable by 4 weeks. Stop. The petition and the applicant shall take steps upon the respondent by a speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Mr. Vikram? Hello, Vikram?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Hey. I think there was noise from your side in the background.
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm in district court and I'm sitting in the bar. So this is the reason I couldn't turn up today.
Our judge is very.
Yeah, I understand. I beg apology for that. That is.
Otherwise. No, I just wanted to inform you about that.
Yes, sir. Yes. No, I'm in the bar. I'm in the bar.